Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover AORI. This is the order book protocol. It's a very interesting and not easy to understand protocol that allows you order book transactions and also OTC settlements. We are going to cover what AORI is, and we have a testnet confirmed, and like always in my videos we are going to go step by step on how you can participate on this airdrop. And I have an important announcement for this video. I have from the mouth of the CEO of this project how to participate and get exactly all the bonuses for this airdrop. This is the only video of AORI right now in YouTube that tells you this information. And for now it's going to take you only a couple of minutes to apply to this, and it's very easy. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, like I say, AORI Testnet airdrop is confirmed. This project is a high performance order book protocol for on-chain spot trading and OTC settlement. They leverage Seaport as an intent settlement layer, inheriting the same decentralization guarantees as that of a sequencer. With gasless order making and order cancellations, market makers are empowered to make, cancel, and update limit orders. Important facts of this airdrop is that the token called AORI is already confirmed on the white paper and by the team. In the tokenomics you can see that they have allocated a 5.3% of total supply for an airdrop. And for early users who do the testnet trades on the platform will receive the airdrop. It was told by the CEO itself. Plus, in the last step you can see an interview of the CEO where he says exactly the bonuses for the airdrop. So I found that video, looked the whole video, and I saw that exactly part when they talk about the airdrop. So I recommend you to check all these steps. So starting with step 1, follow their social media accounts. Here you have the link for Twitter. So the first link is here for Twitter, and here you have the official link for Discord. You will need to have the Discord because one of the things that the CEO mentions is to give a feedback about the beta that we are going to test. So follow them here on Twitter and follow them on their Discord. The second point, guys, is that the testnet is in Warlic Ethereum, so we need Warlic Ethereum tokens in order to pay the gas fee. Check here on this link to know what this means and how you can get these tokens. So that link sends you to this video. It's a video that I did exactly with all the information and links on what Warlic Ethereum is and how you can get the tokens. So if you are starting as an airdrop hunter, this video is going to help you. After you do that, we go to step 3, which is we go to the beta testnet and we connect with Warlic Ethereum. So click here of the beta order of AORI and let's go and connect. So here we are in the beta of order AORI. Click on connect your wallet. Once you are connected, remember you need to be on Warlic, and if you saw my previous step, you will have Warlic Ethereum tokens to pay the transactions. So now step 4, click down in the right corner the button Get Testnet Tokens. So down here you cannot see it, but behind my image right now there's a button that says Get Testnet Tokens. When you click that button, you pay a transaction fee here. Of course, this is Warlic Ethereum. And after that, you are going to be able to mint, and you can see testnet tokens minted successfully. And you will receive USDC and wrapped Ethereum on the testnet. Remember, this doesn't have any real value. And from there, we move to the next step. If you are liking this video so far, please hit the like button, click the subscribe button, and allow the notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Go to cryptocurrencystate.net/videos. You can see all the different airdrops that I am covering, from Scroll, Layer 0, Ruby, Smart Layer, project analysis like Polkadot and Metis. Also the Arbitrum airdrop number 2, Wofi, many airdrops right now that you can apply and earn in all of them. And if you really want to make a difference and farm airdrops, I would recommend you to check my subscriptions. I have a private Discord with more than 400 people where we are killing it, and I have a subscription to my app. My app is going to help you to register and apply to the different tasks of all the airdrops very easily and keeping track of all your progress. So it's very easy. You can check this video and see how my app works. You can use multiple wallets, edit the task and all. And you are not forced to only use my airdrops that I loaded with my research. You can use your custom airdrops from many other different sources. So check my application, check this video on how my app works. It's very easy, but it's going to help you a lot, which is make trades and use the platform. That is step 5, and this is very easy to do. So going back here, there are a couple of things that make it different to a common order book. You don't see, like in Binance, the buys and sells ordered by group according to the price of the different addresses. Here you exactly see each of the orders that any user posted, without of course the address of the poster, but you see each of the active orders. So let's say here that I want to sell USDC here, and I will put wrap Ethereum here, and I will sell 100 USDC for, let's say, 0.1 wrap Ethereum, which is a lot. So let's try to match a little bit the difference. So in this case I will put 6. So I will try to make this order. So click on submit order. You need to sign the request, and you can see order placed successfully. So you will need to see and wait until that order is filled. And here you can see your orders. You can cancel your order and interact with it. Here you can see a button where you can copy your key. They have a functionality where you can create an order and make it private. So you just click on private order, and that will give you a key that you can share with another person. So the order can be only filled by that person with the key. So when you try to buy that order, you're going to be requested for the key. So that make it able to make private trades. So that is another great feature here. But basically you will need to interact with all the protocol. Let's say that I select one of the active orders and I will click fill order. Here you can see take order pending. So try to fill some of these orders, and after that we move to the next informative steps. So the step 6 is give some feedback on the beta on their Discord. And like I say, this is one of the things that the CEO commented on the last step. And step 7 is check more on how AORI works here. So here you have the documentation. Seeing the documentation, here the AORI docs is going to help you a lot to understand the technical aspects of how this order book works, which is different to a normal order book and different to AMM. So there's new technological aspects for AORI which make it a very interesting project and a great bet that could surpass the usage of AMMs, not only because they are gasless, but also because of the thesis of the protocol. So you can check all this information if you are interested on that. And here guys, on the step 8, you have the interview with the CEO of AORI. And if you go to the last part of the interview from the minute 54, they are talking about the airdrop. And one of the things that they say is that you can use the beta, do transactions there, what we just covered, that is going to count for the airdrop. And in that video, you are going to see the other bonuses that he mentions in order to get more airdrop rewards according what you do helping the protocol. Another thing that they mention is the feedback on the Discord, so do step 6. And this is not mentioned by him, but in step 9 you have the Zealy link to AORI if you want. You can go and do some social stuff. There are not many stuff to do, but you need to follow Twitter, Discord, all that kind of stuff that is very basic. So because they have a couple of things only, maybe it's a good idea to do it. You can see that that's only 12 requests and all the people has the same amount. So it's not going to be too much time for you. So guys, that is all for AORI. I don't want to go too much into details about the technology right here. That is why you can read the documentation and see the video. It's almost 1 hour, but if you are interested on how this protocol works, actually it's a very interesting interview. And remember, the last 6-7 minutes, they are talking about the airdrop and the bonuses. But doing what I already mentioned in this video is guaranteed according what he said that you are going to receive part of the airdrop. That will be all guys for this video, AORI Testnet airdrop confirmed. Before we leave, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.